Example number 5, solve a polynomial by grouping. We're going to solve a polynomial by grouping, which is x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 9 equals 0. This polynomial consists of 4 terms, which we can solve by grouping. Grouping procedures require factoring the first 2 terms and then factoring the last 2 terms. If the factors in the parentheses are identical, we can continue the process and solve, unless more factoring is suggested. So since we have 4 terms, we're going to group the first 2 terms together and group the last 2 terms together. We can factor out the first 2 terms in x squared, and what's left is x plus 1. Whatever we get over here, we're going to write over here. And we can say, oh wait, what do we need to multiply by x to get negative 9x? And what do we need to multiply by positive 1 to get negative 9? We can factor out a negative 9. So we end up with x squared minus 9 times x plus 1, which is equal to 0. And we can break down x squared minus 9 a little further because it's difference of squares to get x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. So we have x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. Solving for x over here, we get x is equal to positive 3. Over here, we get x is equal to negative 3. And over here, we get x is equal to negative 1. So the 3 solutions are negative 3, negative 1, and 3. So note that the highest exponent is 3 in our problem, so that tells us that we have 3 solutions. So that means we're going to cross the x-axis 3 times. Our first x-intercept is negative 3, 0. The next intercept is negative 1, 0. And then the other intercept is positive 3, 0.